Hello, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss another DB2 function, which is seconds. So this time we are going to use this function in order to fetch the seconds from either from the timestamp column or from the time column. Okay. So how we will use this in SQLRPGLE program? To explain the same, I have created one program. I will walk you through this. So what I'm doing here, I'm declaring one constant variable SQL state underscore valid, and the value is 5 times 0. So this constant we are going to use to verify whether the table query is executed properly or not. Okay, and below to this we are using we are declaring one variable result which is of type zone 4, and then we are setting the commitment control as star none. Now what we are doing, we are executing the main query, which is exec SQL select second from current timestamp. So what it will do, firstly it will calculate the current timestamp, and from that current timestamp it will fetch the seconds, and then it will store it into the host variable result, and this data is coming from sys ibm.sysdummy1. So whatever the value we will fetch in the second will be stored in result variable, and then after query verification, here we are doing the verification, like if SQL state equals to SQL state underscore valid, then we are printing the result, else we are printing the SQL state along with the message query ended with an error, and then doing the INR on. So now let me compile this program. Syntax is quite simple, like as we were doing for the minute and hour. So here you can see it is printing 56. Now if I call it again, you can see now it is changed to 3. Similarly, if I call it again, it is 7, because we are printing the seconds, so every time it is getting changed. So this is how we can utilize this over the SQLRPGLE program. The syntax is quite simple. You just need to write the function name, and inside parenthesis you can pass the column from which you want to fetch the data. Right now we are using the current timestamp, but I will show you like how we can use this over the table. So for that, firstly I will show you the actual table. Select star from Sharmit 1 slash table 1. So if I hit enter here, so you can see we are printing the 4 columns: ID, current date, current time, and timestamp. So let's say if I want to print only these portion, the current seconds from the current time. So how to do this? So to do this, we will use this query select second from current timestamp, and also I'm printing the current timestamp without any function from Sharmit 1 slash table 1. So you can see it is printing 15, 15, 15, which is the seconds. Okay. Likewise, if I show you the same thing over the timestamp column, then you can see it is printing the seconds, which is 33, 56, and 44. So in this way you can simply write your query in order to fetch the seconds from the time column or timestamp column. Okay, so yeah, I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss another topic. So thank you for watching Sharmit.